going to see that how to apply for Swiggy jobs. So the Swiggy jobs are available for nationwide. So wherever you're staying in India, any city, you can apply for this job. So it's especially very useful for the people, students who wants to earn a passive income or part-time jobs. If you want to do it while studying, it's going to be one of the best opportunity for you. And the people who's looking for a jobs, and if you are looking for any part-time job to earn before you getting a full-time jobs, then this is going to be one of the best options for you to earn some pocket money or for your personal expenses. So all the students can utilize this. And so let's go ahead and look for that. What are the options? How do we apply for Swiggy? So I'm going to give you this website link in this particular video description. So if you click on that link, it will directly open the website. Otherwise, you have options where you can download and install the Android mobile app and even for iPhone OS app. So the apps are available. Let's go ahead first open the Swiggy website. So I'm going to open this Swiggy. So when I click on this one, it's going to give you this link. If you open that, the Swiggy homepage is going to open here. So even if you want to order any kind of food, so I don't need to explain to you what is a Swiggy. A Swiggy is going to be like one of the food ordering mobile app or website. So if you're staying in any cities or any kind of town, if you want to apply, if you want to get or order food from the nearby restaurants, or you can use this app to order the food. The person going to the restaurant and get the food for you, and then he is going to deliver to your home address. This is how this app is going to work. So these people required the delivery boys, or we can say the delivery staff. So if you want to apply for these jobs, then you should have a one bike. That's very important. So without bike, we cannot travel, or we cannot deliver the food on time. Even you can use the bicycles, but bicycles, it will take a lot of time to travel and deliver the order. So there is a time limit also. So the bike is going to be the better options. Okay, so if you come down a little bit, you can see that we have a two app options are available. If you're using Android phone or iPhone, so you can download this app as well. Okay, so but once you start getting into this like a delivery staff, then you're going to see the different options in the same app. Okay, but let's come down to this little bit below. So they're listed here, what are the areas they're going to deliver, like cities or towns. You can see that it's all over India. So anywhere, it's let it be like Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, like Chennai, Karnataka. You can say that even for Cochin. So all like Kerala states. So everywhere you can see that, even if you have a Bangalore airport, you can see that we have even for Pune, Maharashtra. So all the most of, say, you can see Tamil Nadu, Telugu states like a Thadipatri, Indore. So you can Bhubaneswar, Bijapur, Jaipur. You can see Nandyal, Tiruvallur. It's like a Chennai or Tamil Nadu. So all the states all over the India, they have a service. So look for which city or town you belongs to here. Then you can select that particular city or particular town. Then you can find out we can deliver the food on this particular town. Then you will get a job there. Okay, so this is how you can look for that whether your town is listed here or not, your city is listed here or not. You can come down here and you can check it out, the list of the places where they're going to provide their services, right? Okay, so once you're done this one, there is an option is like a ride with us. So if you look for this option, click on the ride with us. So it is going to open another website here, the ride.swiggy.com. So here you can see that options like it's especially for the delivery staff. If you want to apply for a delivery staff position with the Swiggy, it's completely like a part-time jobs. It's completely on your flexible hours. You can work on it. You don't need to work for 8 hours or 10 hours or something like that. It's completely, you can schedule on which time you want to work or which time you want to take off. It's completely depends on you. So here we can see the change the way India eats. You can see At Swiggy, we are always looking for pickup and delivery partners who take exceptional pride in being a hunger savior. So there is options are there. Why Swiggy is considered? So why you want to work with the Swiggy? Because they're going to pay you weekly payout and high incentives. Okay, so the payment will be weekly, and they're going to, even if you provide more delivers and very less time, they're going to give you the incentives on top of your payment. And the benefits is going to be the life insurance for you and your family. They're going to provide a life insurance because you will be riding on continuously, as long as you're supplying or providing a deliveries to the customers. So they're going to take care of your responsibilities. So they're going to provide you life insurance for you and your family, and exciting performance related rewards. If your performance is really good, they're going to provide you some rewards as well. So the lot of features are there. You can look for that. So how many people are working here and what are their like a feedback, you can look on the stuff. Then come down little bit, scroll down, you can see registered with us. So what you need to do is you need to provide your name and your phone number. Please take care of that. The name and phone number, especially the phone number, should be correct. So before clicking on register button, please verify your phone number once or twice. Once you confirm the phone number is correct, then only you can go ahead and hit on register button. So provide your name and your phone number and which city you would like to provide the service. You have a list of all the cities what we have seen in a few minutes back. You can look for whatever the city you want to provide the services. Then once you select it, then type of the vehicle, whether you have a bicycle or bike. So both are acceptable, but bike is much better. In case if you do not have a bike, you can take your friends or your family members' bike, then you can use it for that. It is not necessarily that the bike should be on your name, right? You can select what type of vehicle you have, and in case if you have any referral code, you can enter the referral code. Otherwise you can click on I'm not robot, it's going to be a captcha. So I'm just giving you like a sample what's supposed to be you need to enter. You can enter your phone number here, and you can click on register. So once you click on register, please, okay, so this is going to be, I just entered a 3 4 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, I'm just entering a sample phone number. Okay, so once you enter this one, click on register. So once you click on register, automatically, thank you for registering with us, one of our executive will call you back. So someone is going to call you on this mobile number, whatever the number you provided. They're going to explain to you what is the procedure for the next steps. So this is how you can apply for Swiggy as a rider, or you can delivery staff, where you can work part-time and you can earn money on weekly basis. And if your performance is really good, they're going to provide you some additional incentives and rewards as well. And apart from that, you're going to get a life insurance for you and your family. So this is going to be one of the best option, especially for students and who wants to work. It's not only for the males, even the females also you can work on it. There is no restrictions for that, it should be only like a males or only boys can work on this. But females, in case if you have a bike or scooty or whatever the vehicle you have, still you can use it for to deliver. So it's like a dignity of labor. We don't need to feel shame kind of. It's not a so it's not like a very low graded job or something like that. Every job is important. So look for the dignity of labor, which is very important. So you need to think about how much money we are earning for your expenses, and nobody is going to give you a single rupee for free of cost, right? So we need to earn our own money. So take it as a one of the best option. And if you want to work with the Swiggy, this is a procedure how you can apply for Swiggy delivery staff. Hope so this video is very useful for you. In case if you like this information, please click on the like button. And if you're watching my videos first time, please click on subscribe, and the next to the subscribe button there is a bell icon. If you click it on that, then you're going to get a new notification whenever I publish a new video. Hope so I'm gonna get back to you with a new website of any mobile app which is going to help you to get some part-time jobs. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.